guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, thanks for clicking my video. Today I want to talk about 5 free editing apps that you need on your phone. Now I know most apps you have to buy, Facetune you have to buy, and you feel like, oh, it's too cost to buy. I'm here today to give you 5 good editing apps that you can use that are as good as Facetune. Now I would give you from my most favorite to my least favorite, so sit back, relax, enjoy, grab a popcorn, and let's go. Okay, first things first, you have to be good and patient in editing. You have to learn how to dot the T's and dot the I's, cross the T's, be careful, lighten and all that. Now I'm going to help you with all that, but at the same time you need to practice. Practice makes perfect, so you continue practicing. I can't remember how many times I didn't sleep at night trying to perfect my editing skills on each of these apps. Okay, now my first app is Airbrush. See, yo, nobody can beat me at my Airbrush game. Like, you can't beat me at my Airbrush game. Like, the app is so perfect. Like, I feel like with a couple of coins you can get like everything you want, you understand, at the tip of your fingers, which is now your smartphone. Okay, now I'm sorry for my nails. Okay, in the app, okay, in the app you can buy the premium, and if you don't want to buy the premium, that's fine. Now the app has magic smooth sculpture is a bot app. Now you can have different kinds of, you know, like, I need it. Like, I don't know how to go and start buying Facetune right now based on everything that's even going on. Like, why are you going to go and spend that much money when you can just use a normal app and get the same result? Okay, now you can even change your hair color, you can reshape, you can resize skin tone, you can stretch, you can like the whole relight. You can touch the lighting if the lighting of the picture was not good, if you feel like you need a blurred screen, a blurred background. It gives you the best blurred background you can ever look for, because it has the bouquet. Okay, it has the bouquet, it has colors. You can erase the background, which is amazing for YouTube thumbnails and pictures, snap them, even for like posts. You can erase the background, which is good. Okay, I love that app. Second one is Snapseed. Now Snapseed is, let me explain this to you. Snapseed, both professionals, both learners, both me and you can use it, and your picture will still come out great. You can edit it to anything you want. You could be on the beach tomorrow, you know. If you miss the beach too much, you can be on the beach tomorrow. You can be in the Bahamas in your room, just a little editing and you are there already. But no, I'm not advising anyone to do that, okay? But Snapseed is it. Like, Snapseed is the game. Okay, that's my second favorite because it's kind of more complicated than Airbrush, but not too complicated. It's something you can work with anytime, any day. You could be anywhere and it be editing your photos. You have white balance, you have the whole curve where you can edit your curve, and you have details, you have selective where you can selectively, like, if I want to lighten just my face, I can select just my face, lighten it, increase the contrast or reduce it, increase the brightness or reduce it, or if maybe probably this side is darker than this side, I could arrange it. So it's good. Then you have the HDR scape, you have glamour glow, which is for makeup, arranging of makeup and all, lens blur. You have head poses, which is if my head was like this in the picture, it's going to arrange my head, you know. It gives you good. Now then it also has the portrait feature where you can adjust like stuff based on just your body, not your surrounding. Okay, you could even remove, you also have the ability to, you have double exposure. You can also remove like stuff in the background. If I want to remove that from my background, I would know how to do it. Okay, so now you have the white balance, you have brush drama. If you want drama, like, you know, probably a picture that has effects, you know, some kind of funny effects, or like what you're trying to portray in the picture, you can get that from here. If you're trying to fix it for your beard, if you're a guy, you can get that from here. So that is, you need it, okay? You need it. I am telling you, it is a free app. You can get it. There's no premium. There's nothing. It works on iOS and Android. Polish is the third app, which is my best. On Android, take note. On Android, it's called Polish. On iOS, it is called Peachy. So if you're trying to check the difference, if you try to check for Polish on iOS, you might not find it. On Android, it is Polish. On iOS, it is Peachy. It is the game changer that, let me tell you, come closer. Most girls use this, to, make some pop bigger, but you know what I'm saying, but I don't use it that part. But what I like most about this app is their neon effect. Their neon effect is the bomb. You would love it. Then they also have the collage where you can mix your pictures. You could mix pictures together. You could come out with like a jiffy or like anything you want to make, but it's just either pictures or a jiffy, okay? Oh, I didn't see you there. Sorry. I was enjoying my fourth app, which brings me to Pixel Loop, which was formerly Enlight. If you know Enlight, now it's presently called Pixel Loop. They also have Video Loop for video editing, which I will get to in the next video when I'm talking about video editing apps for free. Now, which was formerly called Enlight. Enlight is more about the drama, it brings the drama. You want the, all these dramatic pictures where you want this color to really pop, or you want this kind of sunlight, or you want your background to have this effect where it's moving, all this kind of light, frame, filter, all these kind of things. Loop is the best thing that you can ever use for that. They have demo. You can play their demo, which is easy for you. You can play their demo and learn how to edit the videos and pictures from there, which is great. Now, okay, brings me to my very final, lastly, VSCOCAM. That is VSCO. That's the name of the app. It's good. It's a great filter app where you could, when you're done with editing your photos, you could go there and work on it. They have in-app purchases, but the free ones are good. My best package is C6 and L6. They're my best. I bought the two packages and they're good. They're great for filters and all, but for pictures, and it's nice. It's on iOS and Android. You should get it. And that brings me to my last tip. So guys, thank you so much for rocking with me till the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video. I really love you guys so much. Thank you.